Good morning, everyone. It's Allie, if you didn't know, and welcome back to the vlog. This, if you can't tell by the title, isn't going to be a normal vlog. This is going to be a what I eat in a day. I really enjoy watching these just because they're fun to watch, but also just for recipe inspiration and whatnot. So I thought, why not film one? So excuse how I look. I just got done with the workout, and it is now my favorite part of the day, coffee. So normally I'd be making my like fancy cinnamon dolce knockoff coffee, but I actually started making like normal coffee a really good way, and I'm kind of craving that today. So I'm going to, and yes, I am including drinks in this. Drinks are important. So I'm going to make my coffee, and I'm going to put a tiny bit of this Bloom Nutrition chocolate milkshake protein powder in it. I know it might sound gross, but it's actually really good. And then I'm going to put some collagen powder in it, just for my hair, skin, and nails. And then for breakfast, I'm gonna go kind of British and do some beans on toast because I'm trying to get a lot more protein into my diet. And then scrambled 2 eggs. I really wanted to mix up some spinach in there, wilt some spinach down in it, but I guess the spinach we had went bad, so Kyle threw it out, or maybe I threw it out, I don't remember. But no greens this morning, which is unfortunate, but we'll have some for lunch. Alright guys, here it is, brekkie for the day. Really sad there's no veggies on here, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. Everyone loves beans on toast in the UK, or mostly everyone. So yeah, excited to try it out. Got my coffee right here. I thought I was filming when I was like making my coffee. Yeah, I wasn't, my bad. But yeah, not pictured is a glass of water that I'm about to get, but I'm gonna go upstairs, eat this, kind of check in with the world, check in with the news and the day, and then come back down, clean, and then get ready for my day. I have to edit an entire video today. I put it off to the last minute. I know, that's not good. But yeah, I gotta get that done by the afternoon because we have a lot of stuff we wanna get done this weekend. So, I'm gonna go eat. I'll let y'all know how it was later, and I'll see y'all at lunch. Breakfast was delicious. The kitchen is still a mess, and I'll tell you why in a second. But yeah, breakfast was really, really good. I can see I might have done beans on toast totally wrong, but like, it was good to me. I enjoyed it. If you're British and you watch this, comment down below if you like beans on toast and how you prepare it. Give me some ideas. So yeah, it is lunchtime. I've just been editing, and I'm actually gonna finish this video a lot earlier than I thought, which is really, really nice because at this point, all I have to do is add music to it and tweak the thumbnail a bit and just get it all uploaded. So that's actually really nice, the fact that it's only 12 o'clock, and I'm gonna be done, because I thought I hadn't rough edited it, but when I opened everything up, because I uploaded the footage last Friday, so like when I opened it all up, it was like already edited, like rough edited, chopped up, all that stuff, so I was like, oh sweet. So yeah, that's really nice, because Kyle won't be home till like 4, and if I can finish it by like 2, that'll give me a couple hours to really just enjoy my day off and chill. And yeah, but anyways, I was starting to feel like really bad, and I didn't know why, and then I looked at the clock, I was like, oh, it's noon, and I'm starving. So I don't know if anyone else's system is like this, but like, I've gotten into such a regimen of eating like 3 meals a day that, and my blood sugar drops like super quick. So if I don't eat regularly, it's not pretty. So that's basically what's starting to happen. My stomach is just very crampy. My muscles are achy. I'm starting to get kind of a headache. And I'm starting to just feel ill. And again, I looked at the clock. I was like, oh, no wonder it's noon. I'm starving. So I had to stop. As much as I wanted to just keep going, finish the video, I had to stop to come get lunch. That is why the kitchen is still a mess. Normally I would have cleaned it, but I was just like, yeah, I'll do it after when I come down for lunch. But I feel like crap right now, so I've got to eat. So I'm really big on using up leftovers. So we have some pork shoulder taco with onions in it. That was one of our meal preps for this week that I'm going to go ahead and eat. Because we have like so much of it left that I'm just going to try to I got like my big burrito instead of just the taco, so I'm gonna make a giant burrito of it, try to get through some of it. And then what I love about being home is like I actually have access to my like dairy-free stuff. So I have my cheese, my sour cream, and my salsa. The salsa has no dairy in it, but we don't have salsa at work. And then for my carb, I'm going to just heat up these like leftover Five Guys fries that we got on Sunday. And then for veg, I'm gonna make a little salad with this dressing. It's not my favorite dressing, but again, I do not like wasting food. So I'm just going to suck it up and put it on my salad and try to finish it. But yeah, so that's the lunch plan today. And I'm gonna take probably about an hour break, eat my lunch, and yeah, get back to work.
Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We forget.
Alright guys, so here is my lunch. We just have some french fries, a mini little salad, and guys, do not judge. I do not know how to fold a burrito, and honestly, it doesn't really matter because it's all going to the same place anyway. But yeah, so we have the pork shoulder burrito, and then instead of ketchup, we have this Chick-fil-A sauce, which I love, so I'm going to eat that. And then, so when my blood sugar drops, obviously your body needs sugar. So this, instead of water, I'm doing my strawberry lemonade Powerade just because it has like 41% sugar in it, so it'll help me a lot. But also, I've had 2 cups of water a day, so I feel like that's pretty good. So I'm going to go upstairs, eat my lunch, take a little break, and try not to make a mess. Take a little break, and then get back to editing because, like I said, I think if I can finish around like 2:30, which I should have no problem doing, then yeah, I'll have some time to chill before Kyle gets home and like we have to do adult stuff, which is never fun. Alright guys, I just took like a 30-minute nap. I don't know why, I just feel like really off today. Like I don't actually feel great, which makes no sense because it's not like I've done anything like bad or like, I mean, keeping myself hydrated, I've been eating right. Like, I don't know, I just feel really off, and so yeah, I just like lay down. I think that's Kyle. Yep, that's Kyle. But yeah, I kind of want a snack though, but I kind of want something sweet and savory, so I'm gonna do some nuts, and then I have a Cadbury's dark chocolate bar in the fridge that I'm gonna chop a couple pieces off and do that. So, Kyle just got home, but this is gonna be my snack, and yeah, I don't know, I might just send him up to the store because I'm just like, bleh. It is way later, guys. Lunch was delicious. It was really good. Did I already say that? I did, because I had a snack. Sorry, my husband and I have been going over finances for the last like 2 hours. My brain's a little bit fried, but it is dinner time. We're actually having a really late dinner. We generally eat around like 5, 6 o'clock. Yeah, it's 8:30. This isn't the healthiest dinner, but it is oh so good. It is chicken patties and crispy crowns. A staple here in the Young Claws household. This is kind of like our go-to meal when it's too late, we don't want to cook anything. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat now. Yeah, and I'm gonna enjoy every bite of it. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Normally, I would have like ice cream and cookies. That's kind of our go-to dessert at night, or like a cookie or something, but because we had dinner so late, I am so full that I can't even stomach the idea of having any sweets right now. But yeah, normally I would have some sort of sweet treat after dinner. And also, I don't know if I told you, but I did have a glass of wine with dinner, and I've just been drinking water all day. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this style vlog. I know it probably wasn't the most exciting eat with me, or what I eat in a day video. But yeah, this is really how it is. It's generally usually just a lot of leftovers because by the end of the week, we're just trying to get through them. So, I hope you guys like it. Sorry, I'm very tired. I've lost my train of thought. I hope you guys like it. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more new videos like this. Also, hit that like and subscribe button because we have a lot of really exciting stuff coming up on the channel that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next Saturday with a brand new vlog. Bye.
And I won't dare to say